Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you that how to create a group on Facebook, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app and then tap at these three lines in the top right corner to come to that menu section. And in menu section, just simply tap at groups shortcut and tap at your groups. In your group, just simply tap at create group in manage group option. Here just simply give the name to your group or whatever you want to give it, and then just simply select the privacy. Either you want to set it to public or private, whatever, just simply select and tap at done. And just simply tap at create group. Once you tap on it, it will just take a while to create group. So here the group has been created. From here, the first step to invite the person into that specific group. Here it will show the list of your friends. Just simply tap at invite, and then here you can also just simply search for the persons on Facebook. Once you're done with this, just simply tap at next in top right corner, and from here you can easily just simply select the cover photo, or you can upload it from you. Just simply tap at edit and tap upload photo. Like if you want to make admin of this group to everyone, just tap at add group affiliation. It will just take a while, and toggle off this group affiliation option to, like, if you want to make the admin to everyone. Here they have mentioned over there. Just simply select your cover photo of your group and tap at next. Here you'll have to edit a short description of your group. Like you can here add for which purpose you have created that specific group, and then just simply tap up next. From here they ask you to create your first post on Facebook, like whatever it is. And like I recommend you to create a post according to your group, like for what this group is about. Just once you create that post, tap add post in the top right corner and tap add done. So here you can see the group has been created and the post has been like posted on that specific group. So I hope it's helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial about creating a group or it's about whatever, just leave in comment section below and I'll be catching on the next video. And if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel. And if you think that this video helped you and you learn from this video how to create a professional group on Facebook, then make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. And I will recommend you to check the latest video on end screen. Thanks guys, goodbye till the next video.